everybody. Hey, Ali Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com, and we've got a fun little video for you. Universal Orlando Resort has a reputation for being a park for older kids. They have some areas and rides for little ones, but not as much as the mouse down the road. So, what is going on with their staple play area for little ones, KidZone? Let's find out. But before we get into all that stuff, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified of these awesome and helpful videos. All right, let's get into this. Woody Woodpecker's KidZone has been part of Universal Studios Florida since the park was built. It's had some small changes through the years though, but it mainly had a Curious George splash pad, Fievel's playground, Woody's coaster, E.T., and Barney's show. As the years have changed and children grow, they have added some new attractions such as the Dreamworks dance party. Also, Shrek and Donkey got a meet and greet there. And let's not forget about SpongeBob StorePants, okay? But the area has still seemed a bit dated and fewer children are enjoying it. They would prefer to go ride the Minions ride on the other side of the park. So, Universal recently announced that after the holiday season of 2022, they will be closing several attractions in KidZone. This includes Fievel's Playland, Woody's Nut House Coaster, Curious George Goes to Town, Dreamworks Destination, and Shrek and Donkey's Meet and Greet. They say it is to make way for new experiences for families. E.T. and SpongeBob StorePants as well as the Pizza Zone are staying open during construction. So, what will be going on in there? Universal has a tendency to reuse and recycle. Just like the Despicable Me ride, which used to be Jimmy Neutron, which used to be Hanna-Barbera, maybe that will happen here. Maybe the area will remain the same mostly, but a new overlay will be put on it. There are several rumors going around. Could it be Minions? Oh, Minions are very popular among younger quests. However, Universal is currently building a new Minions-themed attraction in the front of the park and a rumored Minions-themed restaurant next to it. So, maybe not that. Could it be Pokemon? This rumor has been going around for a long time, ever since Universal and Nintendo announced their partnership to create a Nintendo-themed land in their park. However, considering Nintendo will be getting a larger-than-life themed area in the new Universal Park Epic, maybe not. So what does that leave? Probably DreamWorks. DreamWorks has several properties popular with small children, such as Trolls and Kung Fu Panda. In the stateside and international parks, they have utilized DreamWorks as the theme for their children's areas and attractions, so it's likely that's going to be it. But we won't know for sure for a while. So, if the classic style of KidZone brings you nostalgia, catch it before it's gone by booking a Universal Holiday Package with Orlando Vacation. All right, for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation, or if you just need help planning, make sure you go to that website, OrlandoVacation.com, where we will help you out and make your next Orlando vacation awesome. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.